Pizza Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to add a login page to your Google Sites. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the Pizza Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So here we go with our Google Sites. So once you go into this, in the previous video I have told you how to create one Google site, how to publish your Google site and all. So let's assume that you already have your Google site, and then so this is the Google site that I'm talking about, that is already existing. So yes, and here is my Google site, and let's say I want my visitors to be able to log in or register to my site. So what can I do? So I want to add a login page to my site so that the people who visit, they can get the access to my members page by logging in or by registering to my page, to my website. So let's see how can you do this. So for this we need a site called as auth. So let's click on this and let's go to the auth, and here you can see you have a sign up option. Click on sign up if you don't have account already, and let's say I'm assuming that you don't have account with this auth Pro previously. So now here in the new account sign up, you can see the account which you want to set up. So for now we want the free account, so let's select this I want to try free account, and then you can see how do you want to set up your account. So you can choose this option that is saying I want to use setup wizard to configure my account now. So these two options you selected, so they are already selected by default, and then click on the continue, and here you will see the new account sign up options. So for this new account sign up, you need to enter few details, like you need to give your username, and this can be your alphanumeric username. This is just to identify your account, and also you need to give your password and confirm your password here. And then let's go down and see other requirements. You need to give your name, your email address, and your website title. So here you can see here is some title to my website. You can just give your title of your website, and then your website URL. So you can just remove this edit and you can give it as your URL, or else if you have your published website, you can give that URL. And then you can choose your language and where did you hear about auth. This is all the general question. So after filling all this, you can just click on create account. So let me quickly fill this all details. So once you enter all your details like your name, email ID, your password and all, now you will be seeing this message called as auth saying that your account is successfully created now. So then now you can just click on this proceed to step wizard. So just click on this, and by clicking on it you will be redirected to the place where it will be asking you your new member registration option. So here you can just choose a suitable option, like which is more suitable to you. You can choose it. So let us quickly see what are the options. So the first option is I want my members to register for free and access my members area. So this is what my page, my site major point of taking this login page to my site. So then let's also see what are the other options. So the next one is I want my members to register for free and access my members area when they verify their email. That is the second option. And the third option is I want to manually verify members before they can access my members area. So the first one is just for the members to register and register, like they can create a account for your from your site to access your members area, And the second point is they'll be getting the access to the members area when they verify their email address. And the third point is you can manually verify your people, like who give the request to get the access to the members area. If at all they try to register, you can manually verify people. And then the fourth option is I want members to pay to get access to my members area. If you have any paid content on your site, or if you want to make your site content paid, you can use this option. And the next one will be I'll issue login password for the members manually. No self-registration allowed. So the people cannot give their own passwords and all. You will issue them manually. So this is the fifth option. So for me, as of now, for my site, I want this my members to register for free and access my members area. It is completely free. So let's choose this option. So it is already chosen by default, and then click on next. And now here we'll be taking to the edit registration or profile form. So here these are the things that that you will be asking. Your site will be asking your visitors if at all they want to register for your members area. So here the title is name and the field name is also name. So field name is something that will appear like this on the boxes before entering their inputs. And then the next one is email, is second one username, password, verify password, that is re-entering the password. So these are all the main things, so these are all required. And then here you can see this required fields. So you'll be if you just observe in any other websites, you can see some star mark or that will be saying that the field is required. So you can use this buttons to make your fields required or optional. It is completely based on you. And then even you can add a new field. So let us say I just want my I just want to know about my visitors, about their age, let's say age or gender. We can add them. So let's add one field and let's see how it works. So let's say I want to know my visitors or the person who is registering. So I want to know his or her gender. So let's give the field title to be gender, and let's usually the field name and field title are the same. And then my text would be my select radio, and I would give the options like male, and it is showing here use the semicolons to separate. So I'll give 2 semicolons female, and it would include others. So this is how it looks like. So here I could see other option called as display in edit profile form, or it is also a required field. So let's say this is a required field. If at all they don't enter this, I would give the error message, please fill this field. So this is my error message. And let me again give my options, female and others. So I'm done here. Click on add, and here you can see it is added to the registration form, and it is required as I have given it. So this is how you can edit your registration form for the new people. This is how it looks like. So even you can add as much as possible fields, like it is all up to you, it is all up to your requirements. So after this, click on next, and here you need to set up your wizard. For this, here firstly you need to give the URL of your members area. Like here I'm using this for my visitors to log into my members area, so that if they log in, they'll be getting access to my members area. So what I'll do is I'll just go, firstly I create a page. So in the previous videos we have seen how can you create the pages. If you haven't seen it, you can just go to the PC Tips Pro videos and you can find it over there. And here let's add a new page called as members area. So this is my blank page. Click on done. So a new page is added, and I would like to keep it here. And then let's go to members area. So this is my members area, and I'll just copy this URL without edit, So here you just need to give your members area URL, so that this is the required field, and then you can even give your failed login URL. So if in case your login fails, the user's login fails, where to redirect the user, and the protected page authorization failed URL, and also logout URL. So you can give your logout URL, or else if you give the failed login URL, it will consider it as the logout URL. Like logout URL is for the when the user logouts from their account, and it will be redirected to this page, like the URL which we mention here. And then let's click on next. And here we do have one more option, that is you can add your members. Like manually you can add some usernames and your email addresses, and like if you have some particular group of people, if you want to manually add them for the beginning, you can add them here. So let's add one of the member to our to give our members access. Let me add name called as username is Ram37, and then password is, let's give some password, and then let's give some mail, and then after giving the mail, click on next. We have added a person's, like if we have added a user by giving their URL, their password, and also their email ID. So, and also here you can see that we are almost finished. So we have completed configuring our account, and let's see. Here you can see this is the link to add the login form. This is the link to add the registration form, and this is the password reminder. So this is to add your password reminder. So here you can see that password reminder is also included in login form code, but if you want to have it placed separately, you can use this URL. And then let's scroll down, and let's see, you do have much more things. So let's click on proceed to account manager, and here you go. And now we have added one member, so you can see that there is one member. And then let's scroll down, and let's go to our site back, and let's see how can we add this login page to our Google site. So firstly, let's copy down this URL, copy, and then let's go to this your page. Let's say I want my login page to appear in my home page. So this is my home page. Let's say so let me change it to my home page, make home page, and then let me scroll down, and let's go to the insert, click on embed, and give this URL, and then click on insert. And now here you can see we have now got our login page. Like here the user can give the username, password, and he can enter it. So let me click it here, and in this way you can add your login page to your Google site. And let's go back and let's see. So here we do even have the registration page URL. Let's even copy this too. We have used the form, we have edited the form for the new users. So let's even embed this. So you can even drag and drop this in the different parts of your page, so that you can just organize your pages. And let's go to the embed, paste this URL, click on insert, and here you can see how your registration form looks like. So it will ask the user to give his name, email, username, password, and verify the password, and also the gender which we have added in this video. So this is how it looks like. Let's go back, and so even you can add this edit profile page and password reminder page, cancellation page, and you can see this members URL which we have given. Let's go to the pages, and this is the members area. So the members area is the user gets the access to the members area once they log into our site. So for now, for the users who haven't logged in, so let's hide this from the navigation so that only the people who have logged in would get the access to this members area. So let's click on hide from navigation, and then go to this auth row and click on members, go to the defaults, and here you can make any changes if you want to change. And also you can click on add to add the members manually here, and also you can edit the members. So I have one member that I have just added now. You can even suspend the accounts. You can you can see the default status is active account, and then click on stats to see the stats, the failed logins, successful logins, last login, and then you can go to the bans, like the accounts which are banned. For now there are no accounts that are banned, and you can even see the deleted accounts. So if there are any deleted members, those will be appeared here, displayed here. And for now there are no deleted members found. And this is how you can see, you can manage your members, you can get access to, like, you can add the members, you can edit the members, you can see the stats of their successful and failed logins, their last logins, and many more things using this auth row. So this is how you can add your login page or registration page to your Google site. And once you are all done with adding, you can click on publish in order to make this page live, make this site live on internet. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Tips Pro, and thank you for watching, guys.